What's up, guys? Welcome back to a quick video. It's Alex over here, and as you can see, I'm trail bound. I haven't been in the trail for like almost 2 weeks, maybe a little more. And before that, I rode one time, and before that, 2 weeks again. It's been raining, we've been sick, things like that. I just came from the doctor, got some medicine, and I just thought it was time just to ride back. Weather is nice. According to the Facebook page for this trail, it was supposed to be ready today to be rideable because it's been raining a little bit, so we'll see how it goes. And since I have not worked out in a while, thought it was time. By the way, look, I got a new helmet. I actually got 2 new helmets, like them a lot. And I mounted the GoPro over here and also here. I was gonna put in the Hero Session 5 over here, but I haven't used them in so long that they didn't have any batteries. So this one only has like 43%. So I'm just gonna make a few clips, and hopefully it goes well. I have it on 4K, and we'll see how stable it is, how the audio quality sounds mounted over here, and go from there. Also, before I go, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on. So you might be wondering, what am I taking? Let's see. I'm actually gonna be taking my e-bike today. I haven't taken it in a long time. It's probably been sitting around for like 2 months since the last time I rode it. Super clean, and also just because I have not ridden in a while, I wanted to go ahead and take it easy today, see how it goes, how I feel, because like I said, I'm still have flu-like symptoms, but it was negative anyway, so I just want to take it easy and just enjoy the ride. Other than that, let's hit the trails. Let's ride. Hi guys. So the helmet cam under the visor is in front of my eyes. So hopefully I won't crash, because this thing is not comfortable to have in there. Pretty sure the Hero Session 5 will fit in here way better, but it is not the case for this one. Now let me make a little adjustment real quick. All right, let's see how this one goes. I'm gonna take it that way, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna put it on top of the helmet after that, because safety is my priority. And this putting a blind spot right in the center. Yeah, I'm not liking the way I see it. You guys might be seeing it really good, but me personally, nope. Blocking my view 100%. Well, not 100%, but like right here. And I didn't want to bring the Hero 9 because that one is bigger than this one. And like I said at the beginning, the Session and the Session 5, both of them had no battery. How's it going? Ooh. Like literally, the camera is covering my view of the single track. But oh well. Just this section again on the way back. Hopefully I can jump and not crash. Drop in the seat. Wasn't that bad. I always hit the bottom bracket with this bike in there. Let's go to the hidden section. This is the first Tuesday after daylight saving times, so it is now 4:06 and it's getting dark pretty quick. 4:06 p.m. and it's golden hour already. It's freaking ridiculous. Wish they don't change it anymore. Yeah, hope the Hero 5, the Hero Session fits way better over here. If not, I gotta have to try it on the other helmet, because I really hope this view is good for y'all. But in order for that to happen, it also has to be a good view for me as well. Alright, so I met up with these two dudes and I'm catching them up. I had to stop so I can turn on the camera because I don't know, I wasn't sure if it was recording or not. One of them is riding a Santa Cruz full suspension. The other one, I think it was a Cannondale hardtail. Let's catch up with them. But now the camera is mounted on top of the helmet. There they go. There's no ivy. Alright, let me catch him up.
How's that one feel?
Good, man.
Yeah.
Always good. Go ahead and catch up. I'm behind you. I gotta change the mount. of the GoPro because it's not the one with the lock on, and I think it's making a lot of noise. You guys tell me. Damn! Do you hit that? Alright guys, so I'm on the verge of getting home because two things. The GoPro battery is at 11%, so it's about to die. So if you haven't right now, please just go ahead and subscribe, turn the notification bell on, check affiliate links in the description below. And I was just gonna tell you that the battery on my e-bike was dying, and it just died. So I'm gonna have about 3 miles of painful ride back home pulling the 50 pounds. My battery died. Fuck. Yeah, have a nice day guys. Well, so let's see, at least we're gonna put in a workout. Oh no, this is heavy. So if you were wondering, can I ride my e-bike with no assist whatsoever? Yep. Won't be fun. It will be a workout, but yes, you most definitely can. Oh fuck. I remember how many pounds this thing was. 53. But they feel. Hi guys. Let me say a proper goodbye. I don't want to watch you. I don't want to make you watch me suffer pedaling this heavy ass bike back home. Let's stop right here. So probably have about 3 more miles to go. It's my battery off. I'm 6.85 miles into the ride right now. And yeah, it's probably gonna be at least two more miles, 2.5 more miles before I get home, pedaling this heavy sexy beast. GoPro's about to die, so let's ride.